inches. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm starting to feel it right there at about 7 inches. Actually, nice one. Man, so what's going on here? Loud and choppy. There we go. Now went for his little speed. There we go. Angled. I'm glad I got it too. It's like the biggest parking lot in the world. That's a long ass cat, John. Oh, I'm glad I got a leash. Oh, shoot. Oh, got it. Oh, scare me. The island is calling. Ooh. That doesn't feel good. That's soft. Stay on the sheet. I think I could go like this all the way back. I'm just holding it tight for the wind. About 45 degrees off. Very unstable feeling though. Turn again. Angle that outside ski. And the cheater goes. The white stuff is the soft stuff, just so you know. My skiing muscles are starting to wear out. I don't want to crash. Those little muscles that skiers use that snowboarders don't. There's a scene west of Kite Island. There's Kite Island. Here's this thing. I'd be careful with this one. Grab this for a little throttle. Oh! Don't go too fast. It's backwinded. Man, this surface is hard. Jeez. Probably could use a 1 meter for going downwind. Easy.